Let's see if we can wake ass banging fucking Ernest shell up, the lion, lightning, tiger. Rawrrrrrrr. He's got HIV in his ass. Says he fell over needles. My fucking ass. This is a morning tradition on Crack 40 TV. We call him Wake Him Up in Rehab, a.k.a. Tiger Ops Headquarters. Sober living. He's lying. He don't care about no addiction, except a dick in his ass and a taco bucking from Cash App from Taco Bell. Oh, he likes to shoot up insurers and Big Tarvey. Pick up, you ass banging son of a bitch, Ernest. You dumb son of a fucking bitch.